Sublimation printing has emerged as a versatile route for creating customized goods, from apparel to mugs and plaques. For beginners, the challenge is balancing upfront cost, ink system complexity, substrate compatibility, and overall running costs. This article benchmarks 5 entry to mid-range sublimation printers across price points from $179.99 to $729.95. Spanning major brands Epson, Brother.
List number 1. Epson EcoTank ET2800 Wireless Color All-in-One. The Epson ET2800 is a budget-friendly, cartridge-free printing system that uses refillable ink tanks and ships with a generous ink in box. While it's marketed as a general home printer, its EcoTank line is often repurposed by beginners for sublimation when paired with compatible sublimation inks and proper transfer papers. Key features include micro-piezo print heads with heat-free technology, USB and Wi-Fi connectivity, and the promise of up to 2 years of ink in the box plus replacement bottle savings. Its maximum color resolution reaches 5760 by 1440 dpi, and it supports color and black and white printing with a stated print speed of up to 5 ppm color and 10 ppm monochrome. The device's primary strength is low running cost and predictable in-box ink yields, which helps beginners experiment without frequent cartridge replacements. Performance-wise, the ET2800 excels at producing solid, vibrant color documents with consistent ink usage thanks to its pigment-based inks and refillable tanks. For sublimation basics, users should convert to sublimation ink via compatible substitutes and ensure heat transfer settings align with their substrate. For example, 375 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 60 seconds on cotton or polyester blends with a suitable.
List number 2. Brother Sublimation Printer. The Brother SP1 Sublimation Printer targets beginners with integration to the Artspira ecosystem. It ships with a color print capability via dye sublimation and includes starter ink and sublimation paper. It emphasizes app-driven design workflows, marketing its compatibility with the Artspira app as a quick start path for creating designs. The device carries a modest 8.5 by 11-inch maximum media size, Wi-Fi connectivity, and a compact footprint intended for home studios or small workshops. Performance-wise, the SP1 prioritizes ease of use and rapid setup within the Artspira framework. It prints with a resolution of up to 1440 by 1440 dpi, which yields decent color density for apparel transfers and paper-based graphics. The user experience benefits from an integrated display, straightforward app-based design import, and a simple print flow. However, as a beginner-oriented device, it trades some flexibility for simplicity, with a limited maximum print area and a focus on print-only functionality that may constrain potential expansion into mugs or large format items without additional accessories. Heat pressing remains essential for substrate activation.
The Sawgrass SG500 Sublimation Printer Bundle is a professional-grade sublimation printer designed for serious hobbyists and small businesses. The bundle includes SubliJet UHD inks in 31 milliliter bottles and TruePix sublimation paper, plus access to Sawgrass's My Sawgrass design platform and print utility for precise color control. It supports media up to 8.5 by 14 inches and has Wi-Fi connectivity, with a robust engine aimed at stable color reproduction and reliable operation in production settings. The SG500's software ecosystem is a standout advantage, offering templates, color presets, and a streamlined workflow that reduces the learning curve for new users while delivering production-grade results. Performance-wise, Sawgrass emphasizes color accuracy, consistent output, and low maintenance with auto-maintenance print heads. The 4800 by 1200 dpi maximum color resolution and 10 IPS color speed for practical small format runs support high detail graphics on apparel, mugs, and plaques. The downside, particularly at this price point, is the higher upfront cost and the need to commit to the Sawgrass ecosystem for best results. Users should plan for a dedicated sublimation press and compatible substrates to unlock the printer's full potential, as well as ongoing ink and media costs.
List number 4. PC Universal's SuperTank Wireless Sublimation Printer. This generic PC Universal SuperTank bundle targets high-yield sublimation at a more affordable price, emphasizing a 10,000-page yield from its large ink bottles and wireless printing capability. It supports up to A4-sized media and includes a mug press in the bundle, making it appealing for hobbyists who want to create drinkware. The device features large-capacity ink tanks and automatic duplex printing, which can improve efficiency for everyday projects. The bundle's value proposition centers on volume and convenience, with a significant emphasis on high yield and flexibility across print media. Performance-wise, the SuperTank delivers a competitive 5760 by 1440 DPI resolution and fast ISO print speeds for a dye sublimation workflow. The price-to-output ratio is attractive for those who plan to produce mugs and fabric items at scale. However, as a generic option, it may lack the dedicated software ecosystem and brand-level support of Sawgrass, which can affect long-term reliability and color management. Users should ensure compatible sublimation inks and transfer papers, plus a heat press suitable for mugs and textiles to realize optimal results.
List number 5. Sawgrass SG500 Sublimation Printer Starter Bundle includes. This starter bundle from Sawgrass offers a lower tide entry into Sawgrass's sublimation ecosystem with 20ml SubliJet UHD ink cartridges and TruePick sublimation paper. It shares the SG500 platform with the higher-end bundle but uses smaller ink volumes, making it ideal for beginners who want to test the waters before committing more significant investment. It includes the same MySawgrass software access, Wi-Fi, and 8.5 by 14-inch capability, providing a familiar workflow for Sawgrass enthusiasts without the largest ink reserves. Performance-wise, the 20ml inkset is suitable for short runs and initial experiments, with the same color management tools to ensure consistent results. The reduced ink volume means higher restocking frequency for larger projects, but beginners can calibrate profiles using the included software and templates. As with other Sawgrass offerings, color fidelity and reliability are strong selling points, though the initial cost remains a barrier for some first-time buyers.